Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, today I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. This time I'm going to be creating this look for all my beautiful, newlywed या फिर जो करवा चौथ celebrate करती हैं या जिनकी अभी भी शादी हुई उन लोगों के लिए, so that you can create this very simple look on your करवा चौथ. And I've kept it very simple so that you guys know that what are the things you have to do और कितनी easily आप इस look को create कर सकते हो. So without wasting the time, let's get started and let me show you guys how you can actually create this look. So let's go. Alright, so first of all I'm going to be beginning with my eyebrows. So सबसे पहले मैं eyebrows के लिए एक eyebrow gel यूज़ करूँगी जो कि मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Anastasia by Beverly Hills का, जो कि है brow freezer. और ये मेरे जो brows को एक तरीके से एक shape भी दे देगा और पूरी तरीके से उनको freeze करके रखेगा, like stay करेगा. तो ये clear gel type का होता है. And using the spoolie I'm going to take a little bit of product और उससे मैं अपनी eyebrows को ऐसे ऊपर की तरफ brush करूँगी. Same thing on the other side. अब जो ये बाल निकले हुए दिख रहे हैं ना, इनको हम इस तरीके से नीचे की तरफ कर देंगे ताकि वो शेप हमारी बेकार ना लगे. And there you go. Now the next step is filling the eyebrows. तो उनको fill करने के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ again Anastasia by Beverly Hills का brow pomade जो कि है dark brown color में. And then इसको मैं थोड़ा सा brush पे लेके very simple like we usually do it. I'm gonna create one line नीचे की तरफ और एक line ऊपर की तरफ. अब हमने आईब्रो को तो फिल इन कर लिया है. आसपास के एरिया को क्लीन करने के लिए मैं एक कंसीलर लूँगी और एक फ्लैट शेडर ब्रश थोड़ा सा उस पर लगा के अपनी जो आईब्रो को अच्छे से और शेप दे दूँगी. Now for next step what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use, you can use any concealer. मैं जो यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है हुडा ब्यूटी का कंसीलर. It's in the shade called as granola और मैं इसको अपनी आईलिड पे थोड़ा सा लगा रही हूँ. एक बेस क्रिएट करने के लिए मैंने ये चीज़ की है. एंड देन यूजिंग अ ब्रश मैं इसको ऑल ओवर अपनी आईलिड पे स्प्रेड कर दूँगी. आप चाहो तो एक आई प्राइमर भी होता है वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. आई बेस आता है वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. Now once this is done, let's move on to the eye makeup. और आज मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ नताशा डेनोना की न्यूली लॉन्च गोल्ड पैलेट और ये मुझे ख़रीदनी थी, मैंने हाल फिलहाल में ही ख़रीदी है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. इसके बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स हैं जो कि मुझे लगा कि एक फेस्टिव सीज़न में बहुत अच्छे से हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो आज मैं ये पैलेट यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. सो इस पैलेट में से सबसे पहले मैं एक ट्रांजिशन शेड लूँगी जो कि है फ्लैश. उसको मैं एज अ ट्रांजिशन कलर यूज़ करूँगी और ऑल ओवर अपनी आईलिड पे अप्लाई करूँगी. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक टीक कलर जिसको मैं यूज़ करूँगी. थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करूँगी अपने आउटर वी में कुछ इस तरीके से. बस मैं कलर को प्लेस कर रही हूँ, अभी ब्लेंड नहीं कर रही हूँ. एंड देन थोड़ा सा मैं यूज़ करूँगी इनर कॉर्नर के ऊपर वाले कॉर्नर पे. आप देख सकते हो कि कहाँ पे मेरा प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है इस टाइम. Same cheese, I'm going to do this side, placement outer V and then placement on the inner. अब आप कोई भी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लेके इसको ब्लेंड कर सकते हो. हम कोई और एक्स्ट्रा भी कलर नहीं लेंगे, अभी बस हम इसको ब्लेंड करेंगे. अभी मैं नेक्स्ट कलर ले रही हूँ विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी लॉग कलर जो कि थोड़ा डार्क ब्राउन कलर है और उसका प्लेसमेंट भी वहीं होगा जहाँ पे हमने पहले प्लेस किया है कलर्स को. आप देख सकते हो कि किस तरीके से ये एक डेप्थ क्रिएट कर रहा है. एंड अगेन यूजिंग द बिग ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ब्लेंड आउट एवरीथिंग. अभी मैं छोटी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश से एक सैंडस्टोन कलर है विच इज़ अ लाइट पीच कलर वो ले रही हूँ और उसको मैं थोड़ा अंदर की तरफ यूज़ कर रही हूँ. जो बाउंड्रीज़ हैं उनको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करने के लिए, हार्श बाउंड्रीज़ को स्मूदन आउट करने के लिए. Now I'm going to be using a combination of Kava and Fizzy जो कि थोड़ा सा shimmer shade है और उसको मैं अपने यहाँ पे इनर जो मिड का पार्ट है मिड लिड में वहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँगी. Now I'm going to tight line my lash line और उसके लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ कुल्फी ब्यूटी का काजल. It's in the shade called as black. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes. I am not drawing any eyeliner today. And then use any of your favorite mascara. I am using Sky High mascara from Maybelline. There you go, and I will be adding the eyelashes in the last. Now I'm going to go ahead and start my base makeup. For that, first of all, I'm going to be doing a color correct. For color correct today, I'm using a Huda Beauty color corrector. It's in the shade called as Mango. I will be applying this under my eyes and then also a little bit my mouth area. And then using a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation. So for foundation today, I'm using Giorgio Armani foundation. It's in the shade called as 6.25. And I'm going to take this foundation on this, particular plate. And then using a brush, I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Now, if in case you don't like to apply your foundation using the brush, you can also use beauty blender. You can also use your hands, but I don't prefer doing with hands. I usually like to do it with brush and then also beauty blenders. And then if you want for more natural finish, you can just dab the beauty blender, the damp one, and then create a more natural finish. Now once that is done, I'm going to be using the same Huda Beauty concealer under my eyes, also a little bit near my mouth area, on top and also on my nose. Now let's move on to the contour. So for contour today, I'm using Wet n Wild contour stick and it's in the shade called as Call Me Maple. Now using a brush, I'm just going to take the product and I'm just going to apply it. You can also apply it directly, but I'm just going to take this on the brush. Now for nose, I'm just going to apply this like this and just leave it on for a few seconds so that it just settles down. And meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and blend my concealer. You can use brush or you can use a beauty blender. And then using the beauty blender, I'm just going to blend my nose, the contour and also the concealer. Now for blush, I'm going to be using a liquid blush from Rare Beauty in the shade called as Joy. Now you have to be very careful with these products because with liquid products, thoda hi lagao to better rahega. And also on the nose. And then using the brush, I'm just going to blend this out. See, blush just brings the color back onto your face. I absolutely love using the blushes. Now once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes, and for that I'm going to be using a one size का setting powder जो मैंने अभी आपको थोड़ी देर पहले दिखाया था. Now here's few things that you can do. You can use a pizza puff or you can use a brush. I'm going to be using a pizza puff. I'm just going to take this powder like here, and then I'm just going to take out the excess from this, and I'm just going to make sure there are no creases under my eyes, and then we'll apply this. And I always tend to look up जब भी मैं powder को apply करती हूँ. And then we'll be doing the same thing on the other side, taking the powder and then taking out the excess and then making sure there are no creases. And then we'll just apply it. Now I'm also going to apply this on this area just to sharpen this, and a little bit on the other side too. Now once this is done, let's move on to the bronzer. For bronzer today, I'm using NARS ka bronzer. It's in the shade called as Laguna 2.0 Original. And then again, using the angular brush, I'm just gonna apply this. Now let's use the Eta brush. And I'm gonna be using today a Eta brush from NARS. And we'll take this, dust out the extra, and we'll apply this. And then we'll use this to contour my nose as well. Now here's one trick I wanted to show it to you guys. I'm going to take a small brush, take the bronzer, and I'm going to contour my lips as well, just for, so I can create a more fuller look. Alright, there you go. Now it's time to add some more blush. Now today I'm going to be adding a soft blush. So today I'm using a NYX blush. It's in the shade called as my Butter Half. And this is very pigmented. So I'm just going to take a little bit and then take out the extra and then apply it. I'll also apply a little bit on my nose. And I think that's good enough. For highlighter, my all-time favorite, I'm going to be using a Rare Beauty highlighter. It's in the shade called as Accelerate. I'm also applying a little bit under my eyebrow bone to sharpen it and so that it can look more highlighted. Now this is done. Now let's go back to completing our eye makeup because we have still not done anything under our eyes, like on the waterline area. Now using a pencil brush, I'm going to take two shades, the darker brown and the lighter brown, and I'm just going to apply it under the waterline. So I'm using Log Antique color. And then using a mascara, I'm just going to add mascara on the lower lashes as well. Now for lips, use any of your favorite lip liner, but today I'm going to be using a Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 lip liner in the shade Warm Brown. And I'm just blending this lip liner just to create more fuller look inside the lips as well. And then I'm not going to use any lipstick, but I'm going to be using a gloss from the Huda Beauty, which is a Fox Filler Lip Gloss. It's in the shade called as Bombshell. So here is the final look, you guys. And now here's the thing, if you want, you can stop right here and just keep the lashes like that. But in case you want more enhancement, you can add the eyelash, like the false lashes. And I'm gonna go change and show you the entire look with the eyelashes on. So I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I've added the eyelashes. Now it totally depends upon you if you want eyelashes or if you don't want eyelashes, but I added the eyelashes because I feel like it just completes your entire look. And this is my final look. I've just added a bindi and then jhumkas, and I've kept it pretty simple, even the makeup and the jewelry, and I hope this look is pretty much easy for you. In case you have any questions, please make sure you guys comment down and let me know whether you guys like this look or not. Also, I do not have a nose piercing, so I'm just using this the nose, the पिन्स नॉन जो जिनके नहीं पियर्सिंग होती उन लोग के लिए वो वाली पियर्सिंग मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. And apart from that, all the products that I've used, everything is mentioned down below. Please make sure you let me know if you have any question, and like this video, share it with your friends. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video. But till then, take care. Bye.